weekend vlog, and today we are going to Green Planet Dubai. We are all set, all ready to go. I hope he also enjoys it. It just recently reopened, and of course we will follow all the precautions, and I hope you also enjoy the vlog. Dish. Oh. So we have reached the location. That building is the Green Planet building. It's very hot. We are just going there. आया बोलो कशी आया बोलो তোমার কি চাই টয়লেট থেকে কি চাই তোমার কি চাই কি চাই কি চাই তোমার বার্থডে বয় তুমি স্ট্রলার কেন খাচ্ছো বার্থডে বয় হ্যাঁ Want to touch? Touch snake. Touch. Wow. তুমি বড় টাচ নাও করবে। Hello. Next level, right? Nice. Oh. No. Just a second. What chai? Chai? Kachiwal, udah देखो ऊपर है। ये देखो। क्या की? Kachiwal ये देखो ऐसे। तो बाबा कैसे आते? आते लोग। बेचते लोग आके तो इतना। यार गप्पे आया करो। बाबू। for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our trip to the Green Planet. It was really fun. My baby enjoyed a lot, and I did not expect him to enjoy it so much, but really he loved to see the animals. He loved to interact with them. It was amazing fun, and in this heat where you cannot go to the zoo because it's totally not air conditioned, it's the best place for you to take your child. It's totally air conditioned and they would love to see all the animals and the birds. And the second thing I want to tell you was that I booked the tickets from a site called ticketstodo.com. I will link it below, and that site is amazing because the cost per ticket is about 120 dirhams, I guess, for each person. Children below 3 are free. But in this site there was already 27% off, and on top of that I think I even got around another 10% off. And on online sales it's again another 10% off. If you go there and buy, it is 10 dirhams more. So in total I think I bought the 2 tickets for around 130 dirham, which is far less because only one ticket is actually 120 dirhams. So please check this link, and you can buy tickets from there. There are often very too many offers there. So I hope it saves you some money and you enjoy the place as well. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.